Life's a whirlwind, right? Work, family, errands. It's easy to let things slip your mind, like when was the last time you checked your car's tire pressure? Or topped off the coolant? We know. Car maintenance is one of those things that's easy to forget. Out of sight, out of mind. But here's the thing. Ignoring your car's needs can cost you. Big time. That's why we created AO2know.com. We make car maintenance easy and accessible so you can keep your car running smoothly and avoid those nasty surprises. Preventive maintenance is about more than just avoiding breakdowns. It's about ensuring your safety and the safety of your loved ones, extending the life of your car and saving money in the long run, enjoying a reliable and well-performing vehicle, driving with confidence and peace of mind. AO2know.com S interactive car maintenance calendar keeps you on track. We send you timely reminders via app and email so you never miss a beat. We've also created a comprehensive monthly DIY checkup that covers everything from tire pressure to fluid levels to checking for leaks. And if you're not sure how to do something, our YouTube video library has you covered. We provide clear, step-by-step instructions on every maintenance task. With AO2know.com, car maintenance is no longer a chore. It's a simple, manageable part of car ownership. Ready to take control of your car's health? Join our email waiting list today. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's make car maintenance easy for everyone.